Did you know you can get paid to put a water heater in? Hi, my name is Denny with Supreme Service Today. In the last video we talked a little bit about some newer technology with hot water heating called a heat pump water heater. We talked about how they work and that they're typically 50% more efficient than a conventional tanked electric water heater, and because of that, the utility companies are actually incentivizing us to install them and sell them. They're giving rebates depending on the utility provider you have. That amount can fluctuate, but they're basically giving rebates out to offset the cost of the heat pump water heater so we can put in more efficient heat pump water heaters, saving energy and reducing the draw on the electric grid. So if you have any questions or concerns or want to know what that looks like for you and your family, you can give us a call at 410-788-1114, and remember, tell my brother Al sent you.